Get the fastest and local locksmiths near you. Click here to get listed today. Click Create Listing. Fill in the form and enter your desired password. Once you finish and click Create My Profile, your account is created. Fill in the required fields to activate your listing. Enter first name, last name, company position, phone number, email ID, and other details. Click Save and Continue button to proceed. On this page, you can upload your own picture and a profile logo. Once done, on the third tab, you need to select one category you specialize in and continue to share more details. In the About Me section, write additional details about your specialities. View Published Listings will show you the complete listing.